Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Abdul Baqi Riza from grade 8. Today our topic is disease. So can anyone say me what do you mean by disease? Yes, Aisha.
Disease is a condition in which the proper functionation of the body or a part of the body get affected.
Yes. Talha.
A disease is a condition in which our body or a part of our body gets affected.
Amin. Stand up. Remain standing.
Can I say disease?
Yes. There are two types of diseases. Communicable and non-communicable.
It is so much small.
Yes, I know. Just shut up your mouth. Okay, Amin, can you say me what do you mean by communicable disease? 1 minute.
Disease that do not spread from one person to another.
Communicable, not non-communicable.
Disease that spread from one person to another person.
Yes. You say me what do you mean by non-communicable?
Shall I?
Okay, one by one say it.
Shall I?
Alina?
Disease that do not spread from one person to another person.
Yes.
A disease that do not spread from one person to another is called non-communicable
Yes.
disease. Non-communicable disease is not broken down by small microorganisms. That is biodegradable. That is biodegradable.
Okay, you say it. Okay. Okay, you say it.
A disease that do not spread from one person to another is called non-communicable disease.
Yes. Ibrahim?
It is like that.
A disease that does not spread from one person to another person is called non-communicable disease.
Communicable?
A disease that spread from one person to another person is called communicable disease.
Yes. Can anyone give me the example of communicable diseases? Yes, Aisha?
Those? Shall I? Bacteria. Shall I?
Yes.
Fever.
Talha?
Allergy. Chicken pox.
Wait, okay, wait. Alina?
Fungi.
Can you say it out?
Fungi.
Yes.
And what? Turtles.
Ibrahim?
Gold. Typhoid.
Okay, can you say me examples of non-communicable diseases? Yes. Aisha?
Shall I?
Yes. Yes, say it is correct. Yes. You, Alina?
Diabetes.
Yes. Yes. Amin?
Shall I? Didi.
Amin, stand up.
Didi.
Say me the example of communicable disease, non-communicable disease. Ready? Okay, you say me some other.
Pain.
Ibrahim?
BP.
Yes. Amin? 1 minute. Sugar. She said already.
Shall I?
Yes.
Pimples.
Okay, sit. Sit, Amin.
in our body, the sugar will be much.
And we can't eat sugar. Sugar things. When sugar will be high, we cannot eat sugar.
It is control.
Yes.
A disease in which the amount of sugar in the blood can be controlled by the body.
Yes. I mean, don't talk. Our next topic is airborne disease. So by this heading, what can you understand? Yes, Brian.
Airborne disease, when we will cough, the disease will come out and will fly in the air. That will go to other.
Yes.
Better.
Not there.
And airborne disease is a communicable disease.
Sneezing.
Okay. Can you give me the examples of airborne diseases?
Shall I?
Yes, Taha.
Typhoid.
Typhoid. No. India.
Typhoid.
Huh? Yes.
Common cold. Like sneeze or spirits. Cholera.
Athena. Example.
Dysentery, typhoid is there.
Yes. Okay. Say.
TB.
Yes.
TB.
Yes. Can you say me what do you mean by TB? Full form of TB. Yes.
Hey!
Don't fight Stella.
Tuberculosis. Shall I tell?
Yes.
Tuberculosis.
Yes. Say. The next topic is waterborne disease. What do you mean by waterborne disease? Yes, Amin.
Diseases are caused by drinking contaminated water.
Yes. Alina.
Waterborne disease.
Yes. Saman.
Waterborne disease.
Yes. Don't know? Okay, sir. Yes.
Eating food that is kept out.
No, water.
I like
Okay, you say.
a food that is kept open.
No.
Fast food.
Yes. Yes.
Other simple, not example politics,
Cholera, dysentery, typhoid, and hepatitis. Hepatitis is hepatitis.
Example of waterborne disease.
Shall I?
Yes, Aisha.
Only one.
cholera,
Saman.
dysentery,
Okay, Alina.
typhoid,
Talha.
Hepatitis.
hepatitis,
Cholera.
Okay.
Cholera.
Okay, Amin.
Cholera.
It's already said. You stand up, Amin.
Hepatitis.
Yes. That one is reading. Yes, stand up.
back again and laughing.
Yes.
Shall I go back?
No, you sit here only.
Shall I go back?
Yes, you go back.
You sit here only.
No, leave him.
Come, Samad, go back.
The next topic is disease spread by insects and animals.
Camera or black napkin?
God.
Shall I sit here?
Yes, yes.
Didi,
Samad, stand up.
Nan,
Okay, by eating animals and hogs, the disease spread. Yes.
by cutting, biting, and their hairs will come in our mouth. That
Yes. The animals will have hairs and if the hairs will go into the throat, we will get disease. Which animal is that? Yes.
chicks, cats also.
Can you give
Ma'am,
me the
cat.
of disease
Pets.
spread by animals or insects? Yes, Aisha? Alicia?
Didi, that boy has taken my pens. Didi, hello. Hey, give. He has opened my bag without my permission. It was opened only. And he has kept a pen and telling whose pen this is. It was opened only.
Okay, don't talk. Okay, can anyone say me that if the mosquito will bite us, so how the disease will spread? The mosquito will have disease.
Last receipt pen look telling that you will do immediately check. First mosquitoes will be in the alley. They'll sit on dirty anything. That means that.
Shall I go back? I'm not having written.
Don't go from here.
I am also not having read it. When it will bite us, if we will get itchy. If we will get itchy, fat.
The mosquito will bite first the unhealthy person. If the person has malaria or dengue, the mosquito will bite that person. Then it will come and then it will bite the healthy person. So that the healthy person will also get affected with that disease.
He's roaming without permission.
So now sit on your place. If you will speak, if example Alisha is in front of me and I am standing here. If she will speak, if she is having disease, so the disease will spread to me also. How it will?
Bite
Yes. By coughing or sneezing, like that. So okay, by this our topic is that we have a long